For decades, the story of our origins seemed straightforward. We believed Homo sapiens emerged from Africa, journeyed across continents, and eventually outcompeted Neanderthals, replacing them entirely. This narrative painted a picture of a single, triumphant species forging ahead alone. But history, as it turns out, is rarely so simple. The ground beneath our feet holds secrets that challenge what we thought we knew. In Skhul Cave, northern Israel, archaeologists uncovered 140,000-year-old bones that tell a different, more complex story. A child who may have been the direct product of two distinct human species, living side by side. When these remains were first discovered in 1931, they puzzled archaeologists. The bones didn't fit neatly into the categories of sapiens or Neanderthal, defying the labels of the time. For decades, the Skhul child was labeled a separate species, a mere footnote in the grand story of human evolution, often overlooked in textbooks and museum displays. But with the advent of new technology, including advanced DNA analysis and 3D reconstruction, a deeper truth has emerged. This child was likely a hybrid, living proof of early interbreeding between sapiens and Neanderthals. Northern Israel, at the crossroads of Africa, Asia, and Europe, was a meeting place where sapiens and Neanderthals encountered each other, not just in competition, but in connection, exchange, and even family. The intentional burial of this child, carefully placed in a fetal position, hints at shared cultural practices and a more intimate relationship between these groups than we ever imagined. This remarkable finding pushes back the timeline of human-Neanderthal mixing by nearly 100,000 years, revealing that these interactions were not rare accidents, but a recurring part of our shared past. The Skhul child's skeleton stands as a testament to a tangled, intertwined family tree, one written not just in bones, but in the very DNA that connects us all today. The secret of the Skhul child was unlocked not by excavation, but by digital technology. Researchers used advanced CT scans to create detailed 3D models of the skull and jaw, revealing features invisible to the naked eye. The child's skull was more elongated, like a Neanderthal's, while other traits blended both species. Even the inner ear structure showed a mix, supporting the hybrid theory. While DNA extraction remains elusive, the anatomical evidence is compelling. This child was a bridge between worlds. This discovery forces us to rethink the relationship between sapiens and Neanderthals. The existence of a hybrid child, carefully buried, suggests peaceful contact and social acceptance. Evidence points to a period where both species lived side by side, sharing territory and perhaps even culture. The Skhul Cave region was a dynamic meeting point, not an isolated outpost. Shared burial practices hint at mutual influence and understanding. Neanderthals didn't simply vanish. They were absorbed, their legacy living on in us. The story of our origins is not one of conquest, but of connection. The evidence for a shared world goes beyond genetics. It's found in culture, ritual, and the ways our ancestors honored each other. Across millennia, humans have expressed their deepest emotions through acts of remembrance and ceremony. Skhul and nearby caves hold some of the world's oldest intentional burials, practiced by both sapiens and Neanderthals. These sites reveal that even early humans took time to lay their loved ones to rest, marking graves with care and intention. These burials show care, grief, and perhaps belief in something beyond death. The presence of grave goods, tools, ornaments, and pigments suggests a sense of respect and a hope for an existence after life. Stone tools from the region blur the lines between the two groups, suggesting knowledge exchange. The similarities in craftsmanship hint at shared ideas, cooperation, and perhaps even friendships that crossed species boundaries. This was a world of interaction, not isolation. Communities gathered, exchanged stories, and learned from one another, weaving a tapestry of shared experience. The hybrid child was buried with care, accepted as part of the community. This act speaks to a profound sense of belonging, showing that identity was shaped by more than just ancestry. These acts reveal a capacity for empathy and connection at humanity's crossroads. They remind us that compassion and understanding have always been at the heart of what it means to be human. Our ancient world was more diverse and interconnected than we ever imagined, shaped by countless encounters, shared rituals, and the enduring bonds of community. The Skhul child story is reshaping our understanding of human origins. These ancient bones are not just relics of the past. They are keys to unlocking the mysteries of who we are and where we come from. Each fragment tells a story that stretches across continents and millennia, connecting us to a much larger human family than we once imagined. It challenges the myth of conquest, replacing it with one of diversity and mixing. Instead of a single linear path, our ancestry is a web of encounters, exchanges, and shared journeys. The evidence points to a world where different human groups met, learned from each other, and sometimes even thrived together. Our success was shaped by connection with our closest relatives, not just our own genius. Collaboration, adaptation, and the blending of ideas and genes helped us survive and flourish. The Skhul child's remains are a testament to the power of unity and the strength found in diversity. The search for ancient DNA continues, but the message is clear. Our roots are intertwined. Every new discovery adds another thread to the intricate fabric of our shared past, revealing connections we never knew existed. Each discovery rewrites our story, reminding us that humanity is a tapestry, not a straight line. The more we learn, the more we realize how interconnected our histories truly are. The Skhul child is a symbol of coexistence and shared history. This ancient individual stands as a bridge between worlds, reminding us that our differences are ancient, but so is our unity. In a divided world, these ancient bones remind us we are all, in some way, hybrids. Our shared story is one of connection, resilience, and hope for the future.